Just around the corner, and we have great ideas to freshen up those leftovers. Joining us with much more is Hy-Vee dietitian Jenny Norgaard. Jenny, first of all, thank you very much for joining us.
You're welcome.
And I guess my second question is, where do we start? Because at my house, there aren't very many leftovers after that turkey.
Well, typically there are at least a few leftovers. If there's not,
The bones, just the carcass for soup.
In your case, for this recipe today, you could use chicken instead. But it's a great Thanksgiving leftover idea because a lot of people do have turkey leftover. And it is called crispy turkey tostada, so not even close to that Thanksgiving meal. It will feel like a whole new recipe idea. So the first thing that you want to do, you would do this on your stovetop, of course, but you would add in 1 can of your diced tomatoes, and I like to use the ones that have the chilies in them to add a little bit of spice. And then this is 1 full onion. And what you do is let this sit on the stove top and just simmer for about 15 minutes. And what will happen is the juice will start to condense and evaporate. So it'll be nice and thick. And then 3 cups of turkey, or at your house you'll use chicken. So either way it would be very good. So after that 15 minutes, let this sit for a couple minutes with the turkey in there, and that piece is actually ready to go.
Oh wow, okay. What am I making here?
And then you are going to make the spread. So what you do is you cut up 1 avocado, which has already been done. Take that seed out, scoop it into the bowl, and mash that up nice and fine. Add in 2 tablespoons there of your Greek yogurt. I like to use that instead of sour cream. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And this is a really good item in the produce section when those fresh herbs aren't quite available.
And last but not least
is the salsa.
Jenny, we're just about out of time. If people want more information on these recipes, where can they find them?
They can find them at Hy-Vee.com.
All right, Jenny, thanks for joining us. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to dig in. Thank you very much. Now let's check in with Matinka for a look at what's happening outside. Matinka, I'm just cooking away out here.
Ooh, nice. You know, I'm a huge fan of leftovers, so I like them just plain, you know, turkey on a, you know, maybe a little mayo sandwich. Yummy. Pella right now looking beautiful this morning. Some blue.